So relief valve is a safety device designed to protect pressurized vessel or system during overpressure in event. How does a pressure relief valve works? Pressure relief valve works by opening under designated pressure and ejecting the mass from the process. The ejected mass contains energy. The removal of energy reduces the process pressure. How high pressure happens? The reason can be overheating, high head, overfilling, control valve or regulator failure, combustion of gas or dust, can be other reasons. Why relief valve? Number one is safe operation, but to PRV installed in potentially hazardous points. Number three, high pressure vessel protected by APA RP14C standards. Number one is shutdown action. Number two, mechanical devices. Number three, pressure valve or rupture device. So when does a relief valve opens? When the set pressure, the pressure exceeds the set pressure, the relief valve opens. Sizing of PRV, what is the objective? Number one is to find the discharge area of relief device. Number two, diameter of associated inlet and outlet piping. What are the steps in the sizing of PRV? Number one is define protected system. Number two, locate relief devices. Then define overpressure scenario. Choose the relief device type. Next, acquire data. Then we have two classifications: single phase flow or two phase flow. Then specify the design basis and finally design relief system. What are the PRV sizes? So PRV 45 size is designed by APA code. So it is indicated by letter D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, R, T. So this tabular column gives you an idea of the relief valve sizes. What is maximum allowable pressure, allowable working pressure? At the designated temperature, maximum pressure gauge pressure that is allowed at the top of the vessel, that is MAWP. So this picture gives you the graph between pressure relief valve characteristics and vessel or system characteristics. Left side you see reset pressure, blow down pressure, set pressure. Above set pressure it is over pressure. So on the right side you see operating pressure, maximum allowable working pressure divided by MAMP. Above that, accumulation, maximum allowable accumulation. Types of PRVs: direct acting type, balance bellow, pilot operated, and modulating pilot. Types of relief valve. First is conventional. So it is more reliable type, properly sized and operated, versatile, can use it in many services, compatible with fouling or dirty service. The biggest disadvantage, relieving pressure affected by back pressure. Susceptible to chatter if build-up back pressure is too high. Balance bellow. Advantage, relief pressure not affected by back pressure, can handle high build-up back pressure, protect spring from corrosion, wide range of materials available and chemical compatibility. Disadvantage, bellows are susceptible to fatigue and rupture and may release flammable toxic to atmosphere, high maintenance cost. It's pilot operated relief valve. You see pilot operated leaf valve there. What are the advantages? Leaf pressure not affected by back pressure, can operate up to 98% swept pressure, less susceptible to chatter. Disadvantage: pilot is susceptible to plugging, therefore not recommended for fouling services. Limited chemical and high temperature. Used by boring seals. It's vapor condensation and liquid accumulation above the piston may cause problems. Potential for back. Thank you.